whisper to me, calling me to the soft sand. The water sweeps over my feet, surround where I stand. Thank you for being here today to celebrate and reflect on one of the most magnificent life forces on our planet, the global ocean, covering over 70% of the Earth's surface. The ocean is the beating heart of our world. It is not merely a vast expanse of water. It is the system that makes our existence possible. It then drives heartbeat off of the oxygen we breathe, regulates our global climate, and provides the primary source of protein for over 1 billion people. Yet, for too long, we have treated this life-giving system as limitless resource and a dumping ground. Our waters are choked with plastics, and overfishing has severely depleted marine population. The oceans are sending clear distress signal. It is up to us to answer the call. This year's theme, Reimagine, challenges us to change how we interact with marine environment. It asks us to move away from destructive habits and the belief that the way they must remain. It's time for reimagine a future where human activity, the ocean helps to exist in harmony. I am drawn to the sea and its salty spray. My thoughts are to set far beyond the stars. I am lost, I am thrown with every wave. The tide is full, I break, I bleed. From the sea I was born, and to the sea I will return when I leave.